Are you looking for chiropractic adjustments in Denver to help relieve your neck, your back pain, your headaches, your migraines, your whiplash, sciatic? Well, we offer chiropractic adjustments and more. Some of the things we do here in our office at the Wellness Way of South Denver, we offer different exercises for the low back or over here for the neck to help decompress the spine and take pressure off of it. We also will utilize vibration platforms to help ingrain exercises and help people hold their adjustments longer, as well as doing the adjustments. We'll also even utilize laser therapy to help speed up the rate of recovery. If you're interested in finding out if what we do here is a good fit for you, please give us a call today.